Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're here as always. Today I wanted to do a nacho remix of a dish that I got when I was at Oak Island. They use the Impossible meat, so I wanted to do a review of that myself, how it cooks, how it tastes. If you're new here, then I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's get to cooking. Little things block looks just like regular ground beef, but it's made from plants, can taste and cook up like actual beef, but it doesn't have all the cholesterol and it's heart healthy. Mushrooms are totally optional. I just let them sweat in a pan. I didn't use any cooking oil, and I didn't put any seasonings on them, at least not yet. I might put a little salt and pepper on them. The Impossible, I did have that just cook up in the cast iron pan. Again, I didn't use any cooking oil. I'll probably add some water to this in just a second. It has stuck just a little, and then I'm gonna season it with this variety of grocery stores in the area. Here's Cedar, Food Lion, Ingles, Lidl. I'm pretty sure most of the big grocery stores carry both Beyond and Impossible. Turn the oven on to 325 convect, or you could do 350 bake. And you could give that to a non-vegan and they wouldn't know any different. I wanted to go ahead and clean up a little bit. We use cast iron skillets, so I like to clean them right after we use them, and also decided to taste it again because the cook should get to taste the food. It's so good. I don't think you could tell a difference. I mean, you probably could, but in my opinion, I can't. I'm going for that Jennifer Aniston pigtail look. From that Friends episode where she's pregnant, or on the sailboat. Were you a Friends fan? Now, I'm not really sure why you would want to make this other than it tastes amazing, but it doesn't look very pretty. I mean, I'm not a food stylist, but we'll say it's delicious. Couple things. You could put vegan cheese on here. We don't use vegan sour cream. Again, I don't really care for it, but we would put a dollop of vegan mayonnaise or veganese on. You know what? I was gonna make a cashew queso but I forgot. This cashew queso is so good and so easy. The only tip is soak the cashews. Impossible is definitely my favorite plant-based protein. We've tried several, and I think it's by far my favorite. It's just like a ground beef, and I think it's much more similar by way of taste and texture. And it also holds flavor a lot differently. If you've ever had Beyond before, you'll know that it kind of has its own flavor. Thank you for hanging out with me today. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you have any thoughts or questions on plant-based eating, then definitely drop it below in the comments. I'll be happy to get back to you. And who knows, I might even do a video about it in the future. But be sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up, and I can't wait to see you next time. Bye! Hello friends,